My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. Alright, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back. Hey, today's update is a very wonderful one and I know that it's going to make your day. So my wonderful people, please, why not you carry your popcorn and dress your chair and sit down and relax yourself, because you are going to see a lot of things that is going to make you to be happy. Our one and only senator made it clear, the one that always stands by everyone, the lover of everyone. And again, you will see how white men, white women, children left their comfort home and start shouting, Black Lives Matters. In fact, it's going to make your day. I just want you to relax and watch this video, and I will be right back. You know how we normally do it. Don't forget, share this video with your friends and family so that they will know the latest that happen all over the globe. See you when I see you.
Lucas, have you got a camera ready? Okay. Black Lives Matter. 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 We're taking the knee today as a clear message to our players. We're taking the knee today for everybody that has to stand to the face of racism. We're taking the knee today for every black person who has lost his life in a police cell. We're taking the knee today for unity in Leicester and everywhere else. The Black Lives Matter, and thank you very much.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now! 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 I'm here today mainly to show our solidarity with our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, who is a British citizen, who was kidnapped in Kenya by Nigerian authorities and sent to Nigeria, where the country is fleeing persecution. We have a strong message to say. We are in solidarity with Black Lives Matter because we are black. And our black is very beautiful. We are asking for justice, we are asking for fairness, we are asking for independence for Biafra. Biafrans have been through a lot. Just as we say, the place has a knee on the neck of a black man. So Nigeria and colonialism have a knee on Biafra. We want to be set free. We are in solidarity with Black Lives Matter. We want Black Lives Matter to be in solidarity with us as well. Because we are all fighting the same cause, the cause for justice, the cause for equity and equality in our society. So, we shout Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter.
We shout Biafran Lives Matter.
Biafran Lives Matter. Biafra. Biafra Gamarapo, Biafra Gamarapo, Biafra Gabiri, Biafra Gabendo. Ebeka Unusi, Biafra. Ebeka Unusi, Biafra Gamarapo, Biafra Gabiri, Gamarapo, Biafra Gabiri, Biafra Gabendo. Thank you very much.
Mr. President and my colleagues, I'm coming. I'm going to vote. Every member of this Senate believes in electronic voting and electronic transmission. Allow me, you cannot shut me down. For God's sake, you can't shut me down. Or let you want us to sleep here. You cannot shut me down. It's either you allow me to talk or we will stop here. I vote because there are no coverage in my village. There is no coverage in my village. Senator Abaribe knows that there is no coverage where we come from. I don't want anybody to make a political point where we come from. There is no coverage, as such, I vote no.
Thank you. My name is Abaribe. I represent Abia South, and I'm the minority leader of the Senate. And I vote yes to Nigeria, yes to electronic voting.
I just want to advise, please, when your name is called, when somebody's name is called, yes, or you say I vote no or I vote yes, please. I vote no or I vote yes. That's all. Please. No, please. Listen, please. Please, listen. Listen, please. Please. Okay, please, let's be guided. Let's be guided. This voting has started and it will go to the end. We don't want any disruption. And what we are voting for is not electronic transmission. So just listen, please. Just listen. Listen, please. So the voting continues.
Mr. President, guided by the official position of NCC to the extent, to the effect that coverage... Hey! I have the floor. Thank you. I have the floor. Thank you, Mr. President. Guided by the official position of NCC to the effect that coverage is only 43% in this country. I hereby, because I want uniformity in our laws. I hereby vote no to the Albert Amendment.
Mr. President, I stand on the side of the people, of Nigerians. I vote yes. And I stand by this.
Mr. President, in support of electronic transmission of results, and ensuring that INEC is not fettered in its exercise of discretion, I vote no to the proposal by Senator.
Mr. Chairman and colleagues, I stand for the commission may transmit results of election by electronic means where practicable, not subjecting INEC to any other authority, because we don't want two arbiters. INEC should be always as practicable, not as any other thing. It should not be decided for anybody. And I say yes.
Mr. President, I rise on behalf of the highly educated people of Kogi West. I rise on behalf of the masses whom I personify in this chamber. I rise, Mr. President, to say I support the transfer of results through electronic process by INEC as amended by Sabi. I'm against, and I say no. I say no to the amendment from Albert.
I stand to say yes for electronic transmission of election results.
Mr. President, I vote no, just to allow INEC to do the best job for Nigeria. Thank you.
I have the floor. Sir, Kabiru Ibrahim Gaya, who brought the chairman, who brought the team, he himself voted no against the report he brought for us. So are the other things in the report tenable? Are they tenable? Mr. President, I vote yes.
Okay, thank you.
To electronic transmission of results.
I vote capital no to any amendment proposed by Senator Akpan Batsi on the electronic transmission of voting. Thank you.
Mr. President and my dear colleagues, I vote yes to electronic transfer of results and electronic voting, and yes to the independence of INEC, and not subject INEC to NCC or National Assembly as amended.
On behalf of the very rural and network deprived people of Niger North, I say a very big and capital underline no to the proposal by Albert Bassi.
Mr. President, distinguished senators, this is the result of the votes so far in the elections we just had. Total number of senators that are supposed to vote 108. We have yes, we have 28.